Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the number which we get by adding 7 hundredths and 97 hundredths and 2 tenths. So the required expression will be 7 hundredths plus 97 hundredths plus 2 tenths, that is 2 multiplied by 10. Now what is 7 hundredths? So 1 hundredths is equals 1 upon 100. So 7 hundredths will be equals 7 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Similarly 97 hundredths will be equals 97 multiplied by 1 upon 100. And then we have 2 multiplied by 10, which is equals 20. So 7 upon 100 will be equals 7 upon 100 plus 97 multiplied by 1 upon 100 will be equals 97 upon 100, and then we have plus 20. Now 7 upon 100 can be written as 0.07 plus 97 upon 100 can be written as 0.97, and then we have plus 20. So upon further simplification we will get 21.04 as our final required answer. Therefore upon checking the options we see that option C will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.